Now, how to network? First thing first, if you are going to a networking event, which we already said, a networking event is more like a meeting where you're gonna be with more people, right? So basically anything, a carpooling could be a networking event, an actual conference could be a networking event. So whenever you're in front of people, you are networking. So technically all the time. So now we know that, right? But if we are going to a particular networking event, for a networking event, my recommendation is go by yourself. The reason why you should go by yourself is because if you are with a friend or somebody that you know, you will tend to hide with them and maybe the whole time talking to this person and not really networking and getting to know more people. So what I'm saying is you want to put yourself out there to be able to network, right? After you get there, you want to focus on relationships. Forget about what you need. Don't worry about your needs. Worry about other people. So make sure you start talking to people, make sure you know their names, make sure you understand what they do, make sure if it's a business event, you understand how their business works, you understand who their customers are, and offer something that you can do for them, right? So we all want to be helped. So if you offer help, people are going to like you more. And this doesn't mean that you should be completely doing this because you want to get something in return. It's the opposite. Be sincere about your intentions of helping or not helping, for that matter, somebody. The other one is that you should know your elevator pitch. So we talked about the elevator pitch on the other classes. You guys created one already. This is a context where you would use an elevator pitch. If you're talking about your business, you would use one like the one you presented on. If you were talking about you getting hired, you should have one so you can tell people, communicate really fast how you would provide value to them on their company, right? If you are talking about your business, you want to tell people what your business does really, really fast, and then you want to change the question on how can people provide value to you, on how you can provide value to others based on who you're speaking with. So make sure you know that, right? The other thing is make sure you ask. People get afraid of asking because we're just afraid of talking to strangers and asking them for something. But make sure you talk to people, and make sure when you talk to them at the end or sometime in between, you ask them, hey, I'm looking for somebody who knows this person, or I'm looking for someone who can help me with this thing. If you don't ask, people will not be able to help you. And remember, we all want to help, especially when we are at a networking event. So make sure you ask for an introduction, for an email, for a contact, for whatever it is, so that you can accomplish your goal. Now, finally, make sure you are in at least two types of organization. One type of organization should be directly related to your field. So it's an organization where you are meeting people, where you are interacting with others. And then the other one, it's a more general business organization where you can get referrals. So if you need business, if you are on a network business, you will get referrals from people who need your services at a general business network. If you want to know about your industry and be and develop relationship on the industry, then you're gonna network on industry events. So you want to make sure you are attending to at least at a minimum these two types of events: something very technical for your industry, and then something more business oriented so that you can get more business.